Creating a Facebook ad for a video involves leveraging the power of visual content to capture the attention of your target audience. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create an effective Facebook ad for your video. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log in to your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select the campaign objective that aligns with your goal for the video ad. Common objectives for video ads include video views, engagement, or conversions if your video is part of a conversion-focused strategy. 4. Configure ad set. In the ad set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Tailor your audience to match the characteristics of those who are likely to engage with your video content. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. For video ads, consider using placements on Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, stories, audience network, and Messenger. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Upload your video. Choose the video you want to use for your ad. You can upload a video file directly to Facebook or use a video from your existing page posts or Instagram account. 7. Add video details. Fill in details for your video, including the video title, description, and thumbnail. Craft a compelling title and description that encourages users to watch the video. Choose an engaging thumbnail that accurately represents your content. 8. Include captivating ad copy. Write ad copy that complements your video content. The copy should entice users to click and watch the video. Keep it concise and aligned with the message in your video. 9. Select a call to action, CTA. Choose a relevant CTA button to accompany your video ad. Depending on your campaign objective, you can use CTAs such as Watch More, Learn More, or Shop Now. 10. Utilize video ad formats. Experiment with different video ad formats based on your goals. In-feed videos * standard videos that appear in users' news feeds. Carousel videos * a series of videos users can swipe through in a carousel format. Slideshow videos * a lightweight video format that combines images and text for a dynamic experience. Collection videos * a format that showcases products in a grid, encouraging users to explore further. 11. Implement A/B testing. Test different elements, such as video length, ad copy, thumbnail images, and CTA buttons to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing helps refine your strategy based on performance data. 12. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your video ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that your video is visually engaging and that the ad looks compelling on both desktop and mobile. 13. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your video ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 14. Monitor video metrics. Regularly check video performance metrics in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as video views, average watch time, and engagement, likes, comments, shares. Analyze this data to understand audience behavior and optimize your future video ads. 15. Engage with comments. Respond to comments and engage with users who interact with your video. Building a community around your content can enhance the success of your video ads. 16. Experiment with video lengths. Test different video lengths to see what resonates with your audience. Shorter videos may be more suitable for grabbing attention, while longer videos can convey more detailed information. 17. Create sequences. Consider creating a series of videos that tell a cohesive story or provide more in-depth information. Use the video sequences feature to connect multiple videos within a campaign. 18. Utilize thumbnails strategically. Design thumbnails that are visually appealing and represent the content accurately. A compelling thumbnail can increase click-through rates. 19. Use subtitles or captions. If your video includes spoken content, consider adding subtitles or captions. Many users watch videos with the sound off, and subtitles can make your video accessible to a wider audience. 20. Test different targeting options. Experiment with various targeting options to reach different segments of your audience. Test targeting based on demographics, interests, behaviors, or custom audiences for better results. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get more content. See you soon.